Hello friend, welcome to my new viral video. Tu आज का topic है how to grow on Instagram in 30 days. यह video English language में है तो थोड़ा adjust कर लेना. Get start the video. Number 1. Define your target audience. Identify your ideal followers and understand their interests, demographics, and preferences. This will help you create content that resonates with them. Number 2. Optimize your profile. Make sure your bio is clear, concise, and includes relevant keywords. Use a recognizable profile picture and include a call to action in your bio to encourage people to follow you. Number 3. Engaging content mix. Create a mix of Hindi and English content that is visually appealing, informative, and entertaining. Use captions that are relevant and engaging. Experiment with different types of content such as photos, videos, stories, reels, and IGTV to keep your feed interesting. Number 4. Hashtags and geotags. Use popular and relevant hashtags in your posts to increase their discoverability. Research the trending hashtags in your niche and include them in your captions. Additionally, geotag your posts to attract local audiences. Number 5. Consistent posting schedule. Maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your followers engaged. Aim for at least 3-4 posts per week. Use Instagram Insights to determine the best times to post based on your audience's activity. तो यह वीडियो अगर अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करो, कमेंट करके बताओ पार्ट 2 चाहिए क्या।